This is Miss M, and today is our first how to make. We're going to learn how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The most important part is gathering our ingredients, and that includes a plate, a knife or a spoon, peanut butter, and jelly. The next step is this is what all of these ingredients look like. This is your peanut butter, your jelly, and your 2 slices of bread. First, you're going to scoop out the peanut butter. Then you're going to spread it using a knife onto the slice of bread. It should look like that. Then you're going to select your jam, your jelly. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to spread the jelly onto the bread. You should have a slice of peanut butter bread and a slice of bread with jelly on it. Then it should look like that. You're going to put the 2 slices together to get you to your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Enjoy!